How to delete Airbnb account. First, open the Airbnb app and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, then go to the account settings. Scroll down until you find privacy and sharing and tap on it. From there, select manage your data and you'll see the option that says delete your account. Airbnb may ask you to confirm by entering your password and giving a reason for leaving. Once you confirm, your account will first be deactivated and then permanently deleted after a short period of time. Remember that deleting your account means losing all your booking history, messages, and reviews, and it cannot be undone. If you just want a break, you can choose to deactivate your account instead, which keeps your information safe until you decide to come back. Also, make sure you don't have any pending or upcoming reservations before deleting to avoid problems. Taking a few minutes to double-check these steps will make sure the process goes smoothly. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.